Hey everyone, I'm Dave Sweet, president of MECCO, and I would personally like to invite you to our Technology Expo here on June 13th at Cranberry Township. We are pretty excited about some of the technologies and products that we've developed over the last several years. The first is the Light Rider. It's our new line of enclosures. For those that are looking for an economical, easy-to-use systems, our 600, 800, and our new 1100 enclosures are excellent choices for those looking to mark their parts. Second, we want to show you our new dot peen and our new scribe technologies. Different ways to do impact marking with the latest and greatest. Third, we want to showcase our new Winlay 6 software, along with our LEC3, our next generation control board. And lastly, we want to pull away the curtain. We want to show you some of the new products and technologies that we're developing right now, because we need your ideas and input, because that's always been our MECCO experience with our partners and our customers to develop that technology. So we need you. We'd love to have you take a look under the hood of what we're developing and see what impacts this technology can have on your manufacturing processes, but also to make these products even better. So save the date, June 13th. Come out, see the team, see our products, and enjoy a great day talking about lasers, dot peen, software, and controllers.